Another old Dodge Ram, short bed. Good looking truck. Love the color black. Old Ford panel van. Two-tone custom paint job with some like green metallic-y flake F100 panel van. Another old Chevy square body. For your Volkswagen guys, you know what this is. Little Volkswagen pickup truck, little Rabbit pickup truck. Very super expensive. These things are so hard to find. If you find one, man, 1981 it says. Super expensive. Newer Dodge Ram with like Cummings, a bunch of work done to it. Should bring that to the truck pool. 57 Chevy. Nice yellow truck. I got a nice like for 61 wheelies pickup in yellow.